Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how do I recover my wallet in Tonkeeper. So let's start. So I'm here on Tonkeeper and just click here on import existing wallet. Just click there and you can import the wallet or watch account, pair it with a signer, pair with the ledger. So just click here, for example, for wallet, and you have to enter recovered phrase. So to restore access to your wallet, you enter 24 or 12 secret recovery words given you when you create your wallet. So you can select 24 or 12. So you write here, for example, I don't know, car, strawberry, something like that, or home, right? Just you have to write it. Just for example, I don't know, fruit, uh, water, something like that. You will fill all of this. So when you wrote everything like this, here we'll activate the button continue. And of course, all the words that appears here you have to be complete and correct. So when they are correct, the button will activate and you press on continue. That's the way to do it with the Import wallet. You can recover your wallet on Tonkeeper without any problem. So that's the way to do it. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.